Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, ariannegk. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the simplest birthday celebration. This is the third birthday celebration of my son, Arianne. Hi! Happy birthday! So, let's start. I have this color balloon, this gold, and this is the silver one. This is the final product. Okay, this one. Canon. This is a ribbon. It's white ribbon. Tapos tinali ko siya dito. Bale, 1 yard kada ganitech. Village. Canon. Ito sobrang sa 1 yard. Kung gusto niyo mas mahaba, it's better. Pero kung gaano kababa yung bubong niyo, pwede lang yun eh. Pero sayang kasi, I want it na hindi naaabot. Okay lang siya pang picture. Gusto ko lang ganun. Gander. Kung gusto niyo mas mahaba siya, huwag niyo masyadong pakulutin. So, okay lang kapag hindi. Ganun talaga eh. Kapag ginawa mo, diluluto pa. Tingnan mo kung ano yung okay na para sa'yo na size niya. Para sa akin, gusto ko yung medyo malambot-lambot pa para hindi siya puto. Kasi kapag kunwari, masyado mong pinalogo hanggang dun sa matigas-tigas na siya. Konting kembot lang. Meron ako ditong ganito kanipis. Ayan. Ganito kanipis na ribbon. Tapos 1 yard siya. With this one. Oh, here. 2. And then, mo lang siya dito sa may gitna. Tingnan mo mabuti. Yan, pantay na. And then, first, itatali mo siya dito sa may puwet niya. Tie it. Just once. Get some scissor or tinidor or any metal something. Everything is good except your X. Okay, so that's it. Easy. I know you're familiar with this. This is little balloon and it's gold. Nabibili siya na set na happy birthday, meron din happy anniversary. Kung anniversary, birthday, whatever. Meron din siyang individual with individual price. And it's more expensive. So if I were you, get the set one. Happy birthday.